Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video is garden tip number 5 in 1001 garden secrets. So let's check it out. And we are still in the supercharge your soil section of the book. So here is tip number 5. Give your dirt some air. To supply your lawn roots with oxygen, stick the tines of a pitchfork into the ground and wiggle it around slightly. Remove the fork without lifting any soil and move on to the next spot. This will compact the earth around the tines a little, so make sure you don't aerate in the same holes twice. I don't do this. I've seen people aerate their soil. There is a tool for that, where like it pulls out those little chunks of dirt. I don't do it. My lawn it's a decent lawn, decent looking lawn. We don't do anything to it, don't add anything to it. We sprinkle grass seed here and there, but I definitely don't aerate anything unless it's like a house plant with compacted soil, or it's like a raised garden bed with compacted soil. In that case, then I'll like put something down to aerate the soil. But as far as my lawn, I don't really do that. Do you aerate your lawn? Let us know in the comment section. And if so, have you seen any benefits to aerating versus not aerating your soil? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a really, really quick one. I'll see you in the next video.